Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watchingyou. Today I am going to draw and tell you about Chikoo from the animated Indian series Chikoo or Bunty. Chikoo Batra, an 11-year-old boy, is the elder sibling of Bunty. He embodies calmness, optimism, friendliness, reliability, wit, and a love for fun. Known as the ultimate shortcut master, he approaches life's challenges with quick thinking, though his solutions rarely find agreement from others. His passion lies in cricket, dreaming of becoming a cricketer without the sweat of hard work. Chikoo adores batting, but conveniently develops injuries when fielding duties call, often managing to escape without consequences. His idol is Virat Kohli, and he cherishes the autographed bats of his cricket hero. In playful banter with Bunty, he often quips, "Astado esi astadi, Patti hai bari," and "Bunty abhi bijata hu teri ganti." Despite his mischief, he strives to maintain his big brother status, even if he frequently falls into Bunty's traps. Chikoo's closest friends, Vicky and Sonu, share his passion for cricket, making them inseparable companions in their cricketing adventures. Chikoo is often seen sporting a dark green jersey adorned with the number 18 elegantly printed on the left side. Paired with his jersey are blue track pants featuring a white border along the sides, completing his casual yet sporty look. His choice of footwear consists of white and orange sneakers that complement his outfit with a vibrant touch. Standing taller than his younger brother Bunty, Chikoo carries himself with a distinct flair. One noticeable detail about him is the band-aid always adorning his left hand, likely from a minor scratch incurred during his fervent cricket games. Notably, Chikoo maintains a stylish hairstyle reminiscent of Virat Kohli's iconic side quiff, adding to his charismatic demeanor and love for cricket. Chikoo is blessed with a warm and loving family. His father, Rajiv Batra, and mother, Megha Batra, provide him with a nurturing environment. Alongside them, Chikoo shares his home with his younger brother, Bunty, who adds joy and mischief to their household. Chikoo's bond with his grandparents, affectionately called Dada and Dadi, is filled with fondness and cherished moments.
Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Bye for now.